What's up, guys? So you just saw the beautiful, amazing second flight of the TSP Duo. This time it was staged with a C6-0 booster and a C6-5 sustainer stage. I'm not too sure how high it went, but yeah, as you can see, it had it kind of had an iffy trajectory, but we actually got really lucky on this flight in two ways. I mean, the stages deployed quite fairly well. They deployed at least. As you can tell, it kind of got pretty hot up in there. It did a number. At the end, I had to use a dowel rod to push this motor out. It's all burnt and everything. Look at all that cancerous spent. Oh man, the spent black powder. But anyways, we got fairly lucky because we thought we lost it because we could not find it. But luckily, some other guys who were at the park we were launching at were able to see it, and they actually retrieved it for us. So huge thanks to them. The other way we got lucky was some guy was flying his drone out, and he got a nice video of it, which I'll play after this. The quality of the video, when we saw it, when he showed it to us, it was really good. But when he sent it to us, I don't know, it got all messed up. So it's really low quality, but it's still kind of a cool shot. And it smells like fart in here now from all this stuff. Yeah, but anyways, a cool flight. I was gonna put an altimeter in here, but we'd flown another rocket that day, and its trajectory was off too because of the wind. The wind was like, it was kind of weird. Like every couple hundred feet, I was looking at some wind tracker, every couple hundred feet and switch directions. It was just like it was just iffy. It was kind of pretty high gusts up at a higher altitude. So it was good enough that I felt like we could launch it again, barely, because the guy who found it said it was like right at the base of some trees. Like if it went like 20 feet higher, it would have drifted into a tree. So we got really lucky there. Again, third stroke of luck. So I didn't trust myself to put an altimeter in here. I was scared to lose it. So we didn't put that in there. But it flew pretty well. It's a success because you retrieved it. I wish it flew more stable. Open Rocket said it would be stable, so I think it might have just been the wind or the stand, or it could just be my flawed design, who knows. But anyways, it was a pretty nice flight. I don't know if I'll risk flying this guy again. Maybe not, we'll see. But anyways, here's the drone video, and here's the drone video. And I'll also play the launch one more time. Forgive my crappy cinematography there, recording. It's hard to record rocket launches. They just go so fast. It's hard to record. You can see if you look back at the rest of my channel, some of the launches, they have real nice, like perfectly recorded launches. Some of them are real short because the recording's not good. It's just kind of difficult. It's not an easy thing to do. But either way, thanks for watching. Here's some more cool footage.
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Here comes the stage right there.